So the question asks us to write 8.2 times 10 to the 5 as an ordinary number. So we write the 8.2, and what I often tell students is that the 5 is connected. So if we think the point is here, then after that point there's 5 more numbers. Well, one of them is a 2, so the other 4 will all be 0. So 8.2 times 10 to the 5 as an ordinary number is 820,000. Another way of checking is that the number of numbers in your final answer is one more than the power. So the power is 5, and you'll see you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers written. Now for small numbers, it's slightly different. We'll take the 3.76 as our first number. We should know our first number is always between 1 and 10. And it's times 10. And what we notice here is that it's going to be a minus because it's a small number, but the power is equivalent to the first place where you have a non-naught number. So 3 is in the 4th position after these noughts, so that is our power. So it's 3.76 times 10 to the minus 4. Now we need to work out 2.3 times 10 to the 12, all divided by 4.6 times 10 to the 3. So if you write it like this, it's slightly easier. Now you should notice that 2, 3 is half of 4, 6. So this simplifies to 0.5. And then if we apply our law of indices, we've got 10 to the 12 divided by 10 to the 3. So that's going to give me 10 to the 9. Now that is not in standard form, of course, because 0.5 is not between 1 and 10. But we can write 0.5 as 5 times 10 to the minus 1. And then we've got to times that by 10 to the 9. So if we put our powers together under multiplication, we add. So minus 1 plus 9 is 8. So our final answer will be 5 times 10 to the power 8. And again, just this last bit here, the 0.5, well, the 5 is in the first decimal place, and that's why you have the minus 1 there. Then bring it together with the 10 to the 9, you get the 10 to the 8, and the question is solved.